Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Hello guys, good evening. So tonight, it's not gonna be a reaction video. What we are going to do tonight is this. We got this about a week ago already. So, I got it right, rather, about a week ago. And I did not open it yet and reserve this moment to share it with my partner, of course, because we have not been seeing each other for quite some time. So I want to share this moment with him. So he's the one filming the video right now. So we will be doing the unboxing of these two. Yeah, it's quite heavy. Two silver play button video or silver play button award from YouTube, and I can never be so proud about having this too, guys, kasi it has been almost 10 years since I started this, and these channels have been my babies from the start. I started, for those who have been following, I started with one channel before, then it got taken down for copyright reasons. Then I came about with multiple channels just to organize everything. And ito na siya. We are rewarded, and thank you again so much ngayon pa lang to everyone who has been subscribing and it's been following me from the start. And this two, I'm not sure which one is from LTD or who else, LTD or Kapamilya YouTube channels. So let's do the unboxing, guys. I want to share this moment to you as well, because you guys have been there from the beginning, and without you, this will not happen. Okay, the only reason for you or for a YouTube creator to get this is to have like 100,000 subscribers. So both my channels, una si Kapamilya nag-reach 100k, then LTD followed a month, or actually medyo matagal-tagal ng konti. So I didn't know that how to get these first, but with the help of Katrina, Katrina Velarde, she taught me how to claim this, and voila, parang magkasunod lang kami, and she got hers first. Actually parang 5 days or so lang ang difference namin dalawa, and I also got it. So it's just now that I get to open this box with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this film rolling. button is presented to Qritiko Kapamilya YouTube channel for passing 1,000 subscribers. YouTube Philippines or whatnot. So 1,000 for passing subscribers, parang pwede exam na. So again, thank you so much to each and everyone who has supported this channel, Qritiko Kapamilya. This is my third channel that I created, so I have like 5. I am Qritiko LTD, and that also has like this same award. And Qritiko Kapamilya, then global, then currently I'm working, or medyo active ako ng konti sa Qritiko Vlogs YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe to all these channels, but for this channel in particular, thank you so much, because without you guys we would not be reaching. Currently we now have like 119,000 subscribers for this channel. So ito pa lang masaya na ako. So if it goes to gold, which is a long shot, but who knows, for gold ata it's gonna be 1 million subscribers. So I can't thank you guys enough for subscribing and for watching all my content for live performances. So for now, medyo lilo tayo ng very light kasi we don't have any, you know, new content. But I still have unpublished or unreleased videos that I'm planning to release soon. So just stay tuned to this channel and all the editing that I will be putting up there as well, especially for Katrina, who else, or all OPM artists that you guys supported, that I support, so that I follow. So just stay tuned for that. And again, thank you so much for this. I'm just lost for words and very grateful for everyone who has been following me from the start, since 2010 when I started doing all these stuff from a simple Nokia phone before, then eventually to the stuff that I've been, or the equipment that I've been using now. You've seen the growth of the channel, and I can't I can't help but be grateful na kahit anong nangyari, nandiyan pa rin kayo guys. So again, marami, can't say enough of telling how grateful. Again, maraming salamat sa support. So from me and sa bumubuo ng Qritiko, because I also have my partner who has been supporting me in doing all this stuff, and without him medyo mahihirapan din ako. So to you, thank you. So until my next video guys, this has been Qritiko again. So thank you so much. So that's the unboxing of this new baby of mine. So Qritiko Kapamilya silver play button. Thank you. Until my next video guys. Bye bye.